Maintenance testing. Maintenance testing verifies changes in existing software. It ensures no new defects appear. Confirmation testing retests fixes. Regression testing checks for side effects. Both maintain stability. Scope of maintenance testing. Risk. High-risk changes. Require thorough, extensive testing to avoid failures. Low-risk changes. Need focused testing on specific affected areas. Risk assessment. Identifies critical impact zones to prioritize tests. System size. Large systems. Require comprehensive testing across many modules. Small systems. Allow targeted testing of key functionalities. Complexity. Increases effort needed to test components thoroughly. Change size. Large changes. Follow rigorous protocols and extensive validation. Small changes. Limited testing focused on updated features or fixes. Impact analysis. Determines affected components for efficient testing. Triggers for maintenance, modifications. Fixes defects found in software operation. Adds new capabilities to improve software usefulness. Optimizes code for faster, efficient execution. Upgrades and migrations. Migrating software to newer platforms. Transferring data between different systems. Connecting multiple applications for cohesion. Retirement. Safely removing obsolete software from use. Preserving important data for future access. Final maintenance before cessation of service. Scope factors. Risk, system size, and change size guide testing breadth. Maintenance triggers. Include modifications, upgrades, and system retirement phases. Testing importance. Ensures software remains reliable and stable over time. Prioritization. Allocates resources effectively for greatest risk reduction.